Project Claws is a new way of lifting Hellfire missiles and Brew 61 platform missiles onto an AC-130. How the Air Force currently loads missiles onto an AC-130 is they load them into a hardback attached to a rack. This is then lifted into a scaffolding using a forklift. Then the rack and scaffolding are lifted together to the 13 feet required to reach the AC-130 wing. Project Claws stands for the Compact Loading Adapter and Winch System. The purpose of this project is to create an alternative method of loading missiles onto an AC-130 in order to save time as well as decrease the space required to transport the necessary equipment. AFSOC brought this project to SOFWERX after it had been pitched during the 8th Dragon's Lair competition. The Dragon's Lair competition is a Shark Tank-style competition where any and all service members are able to pitch their own innovation idea to a panel of military leaders and civilian experts. Our solution for the Hellfire missile system was to create a new rack and stand. The stand for the Hellfire missiles was made using aluminum stock. First, the aluminum stock was cut to the correct lengths. Each part of the stand was then milled to get to its desired dimensions. Each member of the legs were welded in the appropriate areas. Bolts were used to attach each member of the stand so that the entire stand could be deconstructed and have a low profile during transport. The top wrap was made using an aluminum angle and bar stock. First, each part was cut to the appropriate lengths and then milled to have the required geometry. The top rack was assembled using bolts to lock the rack together and pins so that the missile's loading system could be removed once it is attached to the AC-130. The rack is able to detach from the stand and be lifted by two modified HLU-288s. We modified the HLU-288s by increasing the length of the pole from about 4 feet to 10 feet, and by increasing the amount of cable from 13 feet to 26 feet.